This is a video about how to fix various errors and problems that may appear when you are using a USB flash drive. For example, the computer cannot see a flash drive, the flash drive became smaller, the flash drive is recognized in RAW format, or Windows cannot recognize its file system, or you see the message insert disk when the flash drive is already connected, and so on. I would like to note that these problems and the methods to solve them are also relevant for dealing with external hard disks and memory cards. For example, when trying to open a flash drive connected to the computer, Windows flashes the error insert disk. One quite easy and very effective way to solve such problems would be cleaning the disk and its partitions with the help of Clean command and the diskpart tool. It is very important to remember that this process will erase the entire disk, so make sure that you have chosen the right device, otherwise you risk deleting data from the wrong disk. So, to begin with, right-click on the Start menu and click on Command Prompt Administrator. Before you continue, make sure that the USB drive, memory card or external hard disk which you are going to clean are now connected to your computer. Then enter the command diskpart and then list disk. Now we can see the list of all disks installed in this computer. In my case, I need to clean the flash drive marked as disk 5. Be careful. If you choose the wrong disk number, it will be erased and important data may be lost. After that, select disk 5. That is, this command chooses the particular disk and all actions will now affect this disk. To clean the flash drive's partition table, type in the command clean and press Enter. After the process is complete, we can see the report saying that this cleanup was successful. Now enter Create Partition Primary This way we create the main partition in the flash drive and use the command select partition 1 to choose this partition to work with. Now we need to format the flash drive in the chosen file system, for example NTFS. To do it, enter the command format fs equals NTFS quick. That is, we perform quick drive format. If we take away the word quick, then we will get regular formatting, which takes up much longer. For example, let us choose quick formatting, press Enter, and wait until the process is 100% completed. Then assign a letter for this flash drive, for example M, with the help of this command assign letter equals M. As you do that, finish the work of diskpart with the command exit. Close the command prompt, go to the Explorer, and now we can see that our flash drive is completely operable. Just as an example, I will create a folder named Test on this flash drive. As you can see, the drive works perfectly and there are no problems.